Remember these 3 travel hacks. Local slang leap. Dive deeper into the culture by learning a few key phrases in the local language. Not only does this show respect for the locals, but it also opens the door to authentic experiences and interactions that you wouldn't otherwise have access to. Baggie Brilliance. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility of Ziploc bags on your next adventure. From protecting your gadgets from beach sand to organizing your mementos with military precision, these seemingly ordinary bags transform into the perfect travel companions. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to an organized oasis with Ziploc Zen. Power play. Up your travel game with a power duo that will literally take charge. Picture this: a sleek, portable charger and adapter with multiple USB ports that turns every charging stop into a fun party. No more frantic searching for markets, just pure, continuous research fueled by your technical knowledge.